Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this Audi A3. It's a 2-litre diesel, and what we have on the dashboard is the engine management light on. Obviously it's not lost power, the power's still there, so lucky. Sometimes you lose power, sometimes you don't, but most likely you'll still have power. And then you've got this here, P223700, sensor positive current control circuit, Bank1, sensor 1. So on this engine here, it is to be found on here, literally. That's the sensor there. Coming Audi, Seat, Skoda, VW, it's all the same engine. As you may appreciate, it's all the same engine. Now, it's very easy to change. You can buy the socket on Amazon. It's about 13 quid, and you can change it yourself. It's just this, you just replace this. Now, what I would highly recommend is basically buying the OEM original parts and not aftermarket, because if you do buy aftermarket, it will cause trouble sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't register. So in that sense, you may still get the fault code. Your engine management light will still be on. Nearly start. Yeah, your engine management light will still be on. So just make sure you get the original part from dealer, if you ask me, or even online, but it has to be original. Change it. You will probably still need to use a diagnostic machine to clear the fault code. Otherwise, your engine management will still be there. And once you don't need to code it in that sense, just do a full scan and clear, and you will eliminate the fault code. But that is where it's to be found. I'll just go through it again so you guys can see. It's here.